Hello, everybody. My name's Chris, my beautiful wife.
Bridget.
And Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the game, is coming probably next year, which is sad. But they've been releasing a lot of awesome information lately. Like all these awesome, oh God, so many things. The maps have got me real hyped. They were hyping us up with maps. What do we got here? The slaughterhouse. Fucking take me to the slaughterhouse. What else do we got? The gas station. That's the classic gas station right here. There's a lot of back room to the gas station I didn't expect. And of course, the main house, the family house. Looks like the smallest of the three. But there's a lot going on in there, I'm pretty sure. But they finally released a gameplay trailer, and I'm excited because I want to know what this game is going to look like.
Damn it.
Oh, hold on, let me help you. But yeah, we've been playing Evil Dead a lot the past couple of weeks. It's been amazing. But Friday the 13th game, they're the same people who made this one, and I love that game until they had to stop doing things because of all the legal issues. So hopefully that won't happen here, and they will build on what Friday the 13th was, because I think you and I both were pretty obsessed with that game. Yeah.
Nice.
Even with its quirks, I loved Friday the 13th, but I'm hoping they build on that and they make a better version of that for the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. But they put out a trailer. We're going to check that out first, and then I think we're going to play a little Texas Chainsaw Massacre game of our own. Let's go. Uh-oh. Ooh. Was the hitchhiker.
This gonna be fun.
Oh.
You know I can't let you leave.
Oh my god.
Oh, what the? Oh, God.
You can't hide from me.
Oh, my God.
It's your own fault.
Oh, they recreated it.
Oh god.
Oh my god. Okay, so it was
2023.
brief, but that got me excited. It's all based off of the first original Texas Chainsaw,
Hey,
or leading up to that.
Johnny, you ever take pictures of it when you're done? I do. It's real fun.
Excited. Cause yeah, it's 3 versus 4, which is crazy to me. Because it's always been like 1 versus a group.
Right.
So I'm excited. I'm super excited for that. But hey, since we have to wait a whole nother year, would you like to play a fan-made game?
Oh yeah,
real quick? Because I've had this downloaded for about 3 months. It feels official. This short horror adventure is based on the original Texas Chainsaw Massacre movie by Tobe Hooper. Please sit comfortably and prepare to run. Those don't go together. Those are opposites. Oh, we're getting right into it. You look a little nervous.
I am.
1973, Travis, Texas. Oh, that's 2003 Texas Chainsaw right there.
Sheriff Jesus Maldonado refused to give details in the foolish case and said only that he did have strong evidence linking the crime to elements outside the state. Area residents have reportedly converged on the cemetery, fearing the remains of relatives have been removed.
Remains of relatives have been removed. Is someone going to be in there? Where am I? Where are we? Uh-oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh. What's going on?
Fucked up. Oh my.
Explore the slaughterhouse,
Explore the
Bridget.
Slaughterhouse. Alrighty.
Blah. Oh, man. That sound's got quite the atmosphere to it, huh? Can you shut anything? I don't know. Ew. Why are they wiggling like that? What, that doesn't seem like a thing. Oh, God.
Ew.
So much blood. I have a feeling that's what's gonna try to murder you shortly.
Maybe.
Weird.
Ugh.
What? Are you concerned? Hi. Oh, your eyes!
So big.
He's just fucking flexed on it. Oh hey, you get to be Leather Boy. Okay, I'm alright with this. Kill him. Oh my God, the way he runs. Where did he go? He's gonna escape.
Huh?
He's gonna escape. I don't know where he went. Oh, hey, bud. Oh, a little early,
running.
little early. Don't let him escape. I love that he waits for you, though. Look at the way he runs. This dude is fucked. Maybe. Oh, he escaped, Bridget. You got it. You got it this time. I wasn't expecting the role reversal to happen. That fucking. I think go that. Yeah. All right. Don't swing too early. You know. Let's get right up on.
The way he runs.
How you? Nah, you can't catch me. Fuck! What the hell, man? It's gonna get away again. Damn. All right, third time's a charm.
Like
The fact that we clearly don't have eyes. Not helping the situation. Swing.
it's hard.
I know. You definitely can't swing early at all. You almost want to try to get in front of his ass. Yeah! Oh, shit!
Okay.
Got it.
Go back, take the chainsaw.
Yes, we need that. God, what is this dude? 7 foot?
It's a big man.
A big boy. Big boy.
I don't think I'm going the right way.
I don't think so. This is a small slaughterhouse, I'm not gonna lie. There. Oh, all the wiggly meats. Where'd it go? Are you okay? Sir. Oh. Oh, yeah.
Oh, dude, so creepy.
Big chainsaw for a big man.
Probably have to be the girl now, huh?
To the Muerto
I don't
County
know.
Sheriff's Department to a cemetery just outside the small rural Texas community of Newt early this morning.
Dude, why are you coming out swinging? Oh, you better run. Oh, no. Oh, good setting. Good.
Oh God, Bobo. Run faster.
Oh, no, you. It's you. Okay. You get him. What are you doing?
I'm trying to run.
Is it press enter?
Only when chainsaw is on.
Oh. We got it.
That makes sense.
Get her.
I'm trying.
Cut her in half. Twist this chick. Oh, harsh turns. I'm gonna get you.
No, bitch!
Oh, no. Oh, no. Got away.
Well, now I know.
Yes, we'll get there. Wait.
Lucky.
Maybe.
Uh-oh. Bobo's doing something bad.
The curl is gone. Yeah. You know what it is. We're gonna fuck her up this time. What an idiot. Give her a swipe. You got it. Left. Straight. Keep going straight. Just gonna cut right over here. To your right.
How do you know this? No, that's not fair.
Yeah. Run! Oh no! Oh no! Run away from the butcher. Reach the factory complex on the main road. Where's the road? Oh, this is much more intense. Oh no! Oh no! I'm sure we're almost there. Oh, that looks like a thing. Yes, go there.
Go, bitch! Why are you moving? That was not my fault.
Run around him, maybe. I don't know which way you're supposed to go. Look for a road, obviously.
Not this way.
Oh, this is not the right way. This was wrong. So wrong. You got it. We got this.
Are you kidding me? I got stuck on a tree again.
You made it. Maybe he'll get stuck on a tree. Road?
There's a road?
Yeah. All right. Oh, I don't like the inside of his head. He sounds really close still.
No, I hate it. I want to turn around so bad, but I don't.
No, I don't want you to turn
So
around.
close.
I think.
Dude, come on.
All right, I need you to run a real 2 miles. We good.
You hear a car? Oh.
I hear some. Perfect. Which door? What door can we use? Oh, you fucked up. Oh, you fucked up. Oh, you fucked up. I see a shadow. Dude, run around. Why did the sound stop?
No. Oh my god.
Why did the sound stop?
No, Cody. He's not around me anymore.
Why not?
I don't know.
I don't trust it. I feel like we're supposed to go in the front door. It's way too fucking quiet. Look around. Turn around now. He doesn't come over here. Oh, what a dickhead.
Where do I go?
I don't know. I think it was... Oh, no.
I'm gonna be so mad if I die.
He's right there.
I don't think so.
Okay, this seems to be it.
Oh,
This was
okay.
it. This was it. He's way too close.
Ooh.
Where were all those skills a minute ago?
Right.
Great. Now we're in here. Find a way out. Find a way out. How bad can that be, right? Ooh.
What?
Oh. Oh, I hate it.
So bright.
I love that we ran all the way here just to find a way out of here.
Right.
How dumb are we? Nothing yet. Hi, sir. Wait, he's just leaving? Nope. Kill the girl once and for all. Fuck it. We're here to finish it, Bridget.
Come on.
We were never here to find a way out at all. We were here for slaughter. Oh, it was a good thought. It's so
Where'd
far.
she go?
Oh no. Oh man. I think it's an L. I think that's an L. They might just want to hit that enter button. Oh, she waited. That was her own fault. Oh, you did the spin to end it.
I got lucky.
Surprisingly clean blade. I don't like the noises. Between 1969 and 1973, the Sawyer family killed 33 people in the state of Texas. To this day, their slaughter is considered one of the most heinous, perverse, and sadistic crimes in the... All right. I think it said annals.
Anal?
Annals of American history. Fucking A. Well, that was... How'd you feel,
That
Bridge?
was fun. It was scary. I'm excited for
I
the
like
new
little indie games that are made like this. I think that the official game looks a lot more promising, though. That looks cool, though.
You almost said
I almost
cute.
said cute. That looks cute. I like it, though. Well, hey. That scratched a little itch for now
Yeah.
to hold us over until the real thing comes out. 2023. I'm excited. I liked, again, the Friday the 13th game was so fun. I'm really interested to see more and more of this new one. I love the accuracy of the maps, though, compared to the movie. I don't know if you've seen it. They did a lot of side-by-sides of the game versus the movie. So I think it's going to be a great game. That was a fun time. You can play it somewhere on the internet. It's hard to find. I'm not going to lie. I don't even know if I have a link to post at this point because I've had it for a few months. But, yeah, it's exciting. Thanks for hanging out with us. If you did, like this video, subscribe to the channel if you want, and let us know how excited you are over that game, or if you have any other horror game suggestions, both big or indie, for us to check out, like this. And follow us on Twitch because we do all that gaming over there a lot, even though we didn't this time. But usually we are on Twitch when we do stuff like this. And yeah, that's it. Until next time. Bye.